Diolch yn fawr for coming here this evening as we commemorate White Ribbon Day 2022, and we all come together to remember every woman that we have lost to the hands of male violence this year, and we come together as allies, men and women, in the fight against male violence against women and girls.
Voices, the cornerstone of us. And though men speak the loudest, some speak with vulgar distrust. Actions, they make us who we are. But when men do the damage, there's a woman afraid to show scar. Afraid to go to Skate's day, she swore that she could fix you. She bore the brunt of anger with the hope that she might reach you. Appeal to your better nature, find the kindness within your soul. She dug until she buried herself with the ultimate and final goal. To help you find your inner self, the kind and gentle man that could love, be loved, and be himself without taking the final toll.
She took her hits and words so cruel, accepted vitriol and fear, but for all the things you've thrown at her, it should be her that you should fear. For she's a force of her own, a pillar of stone, to endure this hard, cold road.
But even the strongest one, when all's said and done, will begin to crumble on her own. For she bears the toughest challenge that she fears that she can't win, but for this she is mistaken, hidden behind her painted grin.
Is a warrior and a woman, a person deserving of good fate, someone who's deserving of love without the hate.
So let's all stand together, fight for that warrior inside. You face the worst of demons, and you shouldn't have to hide. For darkness is only darkness when there's an absence of light. And right now as we stand together,
I've never seen anything shine so bright.